In this compound meter example, we have some rests. We also have a meter that is 9/8 and has 3 beats. We know it has 3 beats because 9 divided by 3 equals 3. That's telling us there are 3 beats. The first beat you can see is beamed here. The second beat starts here, but we're not quite sure where it ends because there's some rests. We know there's a third beat, but where is it exactly? We're not sure. Now, if we're going to count, we're going to count the eighth notes. So we're going to have accents on 1, 4, and 7 in 9/8. So let's see where that ends up. We always start with beat 1, count 1. Here's all of the first count, that's an eighth note. Then there's a 16th note rest that begins count 2. Here's the second half of that, to end, and here's the first part of the third count and the second half of the third count. The second beat starts here with count 4. Now here's a dotted eighth note. Now without the dot, that's all of count 4. The dot adds in half of itself. So it starts also count 5, but it's not all of count 5. It's like adding a 16th note to the value of this eighth note. Here's the second half of count 5. Here's count 6, and this is an eighth note rest, so that's all of count 6. Here is count starting count 7. That's where the third beat starts. It's a quarter note, and quarter note is worth 2 eighth notes. So that actually gets 2 counts, 7 and 8. We finish up counting to 9, the end of the third beat.